In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix a device not showing up in Bluetooth on your iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is update your iOS in your iPhone. For that, launch Settings. Now click on the option General, click on the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your iOS version to the latest one. Then you can head back. Click on the option Bluetooth and make sure it is enabled. This issue can happen with speakers, headphones, or any Bluetooth device, and it can be really annoying when you just want to connect. Enable the option Bluetooth. If it is already enabled, disable it and wait for a few seconds and again enable it. A quick refresh often helps your iPhone rediscover the missing device. Next, make sure your device is in pairing mode. Every device is a little different. You can just tap and hold the pairing button until it starts blinking. Once it's in pairing mode, it should appear in your Bluetooth list. Just tap on it to connect to it. And that's it, your Bluetooth device should now be showing up and ready to use. If this guide worked for you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.